Hello friends, welcome to Spectrum School of Economics. After a long time, again I am starting the concepts of microeconomics classes. So, in yesterday classes or in last classes, we studied about introduction to microeconomics. Now, let's explore some important theories of microeconomics. So, let's begin. As of now, we know that law of demand is the most important theory in microeconomics, which was given by Alfred Marshall. This explains the inverse relationship between demand and prices. And when it comes to cardinal utility theory, this utility or cardinal utility theory is telling that it can be measured, or we can express utility in terms of numbers. So, when it comes to ordinal utility, these utility we can order them. Instead of giving numbers, we can order the preferences, and this ordinal utility theory explains that we can opt the equilibrium level at the tangency of indifference curve and budget line. So this ordinal utility concept was given by J.R. Hicks and R.J.D. Allen. When it comes to revealed preference theory given by Paul Samuelson, this revealed preference theory are revealed by actual choices rather than the started or stated preferences. So the next theory is consumer surplus. We know that this is the difference between what we are going to pay and what we actually pay. This concept was given by Marshall. The next theory is substitution and income effect theory given by Hicks and Slutsky. This explains that total price effects as a combination of substitution and income effects. In the upcoming classes, we can explore these things in detail. So now I am giving just some important theories list. Okay. So demand function theory is also there. Then elasticity demand is also there. This explains responsiveness of demand to change in prices or income. So when it comes to Engel's law of consumption given by Ernst Engel, as income rises, proportion of spend on food falls, and it leads to Engel curves. This is telling about Engel's curve. Then market demand, it is a summation of all individual demands. Then Keynesian psychological law of consumption. So usually this concept we are studying in macroeconomics, no problem. In macroeconomics lectures also I am going to explain these things in detail. This psychological theory is telling that consumption rises with the income. So this theory is telling that when income rises, consumption also will rise, but less than proportionately. This telling that the marginal propensity consume is always lesser than 1. This Hixian or Slutsky demand theories will explain that there are advanced mathematical decomposition of the total price effect. So it's using total price effect. When it comes to Lancaster's characteristics theory given by Kelvin Lancaster's, the consumers derive utility from product characteristics rather than the goods themselves. So they are seeing product characteristics instead of goods. So when it comes to Baker's household production theory or Becker's household production theory given by Gray S. Becker, this is telling that households produce satisfaction by combination of goods and time. Then the random utility or discrete choice theory given by Daniel McFadden and others. So this theory is telling that consumer choices modeled as a probabilistic outcomes based on a random utility. So this topic is itself telling that random utility. Then demand forecast theory given by so many various economists are there. So this theory is telling that this demand forecasting theory is estimating future demand through statistical and econometric models. So this is about demand forecasting theory. Okay. These are all important microeconomic theories. In the upcoming classes, I will explain these things in detail in a 360 angle, don't worry. So this is all about today's class. We'll meet in the next classes. Okay, thank you all.